Hi guys, welcome back to Staff About Tutorials channel. Today, we are going to talk about how to use Perplexity AI. So to start with, let us go to our Google Chrome and at the search engine, let us type Perplexity AI. Okay, so this is the Perplexity AI looks like. But before that, before we delve into the nitty-gritty of using Perplexity AI, let me have first a quick explanation about Perplexity AI. Alright? So, as we all know that AI or the artificial intelligence tools nowadays are already popular. Alright? So, one of it is the Perplexity AI. Perplexity AI is a cutting-edge language model developed by OpenAI. It is designed also to analyze and understand text data. It also measures how well the model predicts the next word in a sequence and gives us valuable insights into the complexity and coherence of the text. So, whether you're a data scientist, developer, or just someone curious about AI, Perplexity has got something for you. Alright? So now let us first log in to Perplexity AI so that we can start navigating or using the Perplexity AI. Alright? So now after signing in, okay, we can now already start using the Perplexity AI. So this is what looks like. Over here at the lower part of the screen, there are 4 icons: the homepage icons, discover icons, my threads, and the AI profile. Of course, guys, here in AI profile, guys, you can tell the AI about yourself to get more personalized results. Okay, so you can share anything that you think would make your experience better. Alright? So over here, you can introduce yourself. You can also input where you are located and of course your language. Alright? So here in the threads, you can also look for the history that the history of your questions, the discovery icons, and of course the homepage icons where you can type anything here over here at the backs. So you can ask anything about something that you want have an answer. Okay, so let's say for example, you're going to ask a recipe. Okay, a recipe, a food recipe for 7 months old. Okay, 7 months old baby. Alright, so just type and then click this enter. Okay, this one, so that Perplexity can summarize or generate your questions. Alright, so there are those answers provided for you now. Alright, so there you go. This is on how to use Perplexity AI. So if you want to know on how to use Perplexity AI, that's the easiest way I know. And if you know another way on how to use Perplexity AI, just leave a comment below and be sure to subscribe for more videos. Bye guys!